I'll stay just a few days in town, and I wonder if do you wanna go out, wanna go now?
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, we're going to make a sleeves like this, and it's just easy guys, so just keep on watching. And for the first step, we're going to measure the dress into your desired length. So ayan po yung desired length ng dress ng aking mama. Anyways, this is my mother's dress. Masyadong mahaba siya kaya pinatanggal niya, and she wanted to have a sleeve, so yun nga yung gagawin natin ngayon. Gagawin natin ng sleeves yung dress. So after measuring, I'm going to cut it now. And for the next step is we're going to measure the hemline. We're going to pin the hemline. Pero dun sa mismong pagtatahi, hindi ko na siya pinin kasi tinamad na akong magpin guys. So ayan, ido-double hem lang natin siya like that. Okay, so may ipapakita dyan kung paano ko mag-hem. You can also iron first the hemline guys bago nyo tahihin kasi mas malinis tignan nga yung mas flat siya, tapos mas mabilis nga siyang tahiin. Unlike sa pag mano-manong yung tinutuping ganyan, mahirap din, pero sa akin gamay ko na yung pagke-hem, kaya minsan mostly sa mga vlogs ko hindi na ako nagpipin sa mga hemline, dinediretso ko na lang siya tinatahin gayang ganyan. So guys, if ever may hindi kayo naiintindihan sa tutorial kong ito, after watching this tutorial, you just can leave a message down there in the comment below. And if you like this tutorial, please don't forget to click the like and click the subscribe button for a good luck for me. Thank you! And for the next step guys is folding the excess from the dress into 2. So ito yung gagawin nating sleeves guys. So ikakat natin siya into 2. Kasi dalawa yung sleeve na kakailanganin natin. So after nating ikat, i-hem din natin siya. Pero dito guys, sa case ko, hindi siya madaling matastas yung telang ginamit ko like that as you can see. So hindi siya madaling matastas kaya isang hem lang yung ginawa ko, hindi double hem. So mostly kasi pag sa pagke-hem dapat double hem. Pero sa akin, hindi siya double hem kasi hindi naman siya madaling matastas eh. So guys, i-hem natin siya dun sa may cutted area na dun sa kinat natin. And after hemming all around the cutted area, we're going to sew it together. Then yung dun sa may side niya, tatahiin natin siya. So after that guys, we're now going to sew straight again at the upper hemline. Gagawin natin yung large stitches nung i-shear natin kasi siya for the to be fit in the armhole. So guys, i-shear natin siyang ganyan hanggang sa maging fit siya dun sa may armhole na attachan natin yung sleeve. Okay? So guys, after natin mag-shear, i-connect natin yung sleeves dun sa my armhole. So, sa pag-attach ko ng sleeves guys, ay pinapasok ko yung sleeves dun sa my armhole. And then, dapat facing right to right side sila. And then, ipipin natin yung side seams to side seams para equal sila. Okay? So guys, after natin siyang ipin, after natin siyang i-fit together dun sa armhole, ay tatahiin na natin siya. So guys, same steps and same procedure lang dun sa my other sleeve, okay? And a tip, dapat sa pag-shear or sa pagtatahi dun sa mga shear, dapat even yung mga shear niya guys, okay? So guys, this is the last step now in making the sleeves. So we are done. Madali lang siya guys, diba? So we're not going to see the final transformation. I mean, hindi naman siya final, hindi naman sobrang transform siya. Yung sleeves lang naman yung ginawa natin.